Namaskar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you on behalf of Sandipani School. Today, we've come together for yet another momentous event, the Sandipani Vishishta Gurujan Samman Samaroh 2025. Gurus, teachers, educators, mentors, facilitators, guiding lights, call them by any name, the truth remains unaltered. These selfless souls deserve every bit of our appreciation, admiration and emulation. जिसके प्रति मन में सम्मान होता है, जिसकी डांट में भी एक अद्भुत ज्ञान होता है, जन्म देता है जो अनगिनत व्यक्तित्वों को, वह गुरु सबसे महान होता है. Friends, we are honored with your gracious presence on this memorable day to acknowledge and pay respect to some of our virtuous Vishisht Gurujan. I am extremely humbled to have with us our very dearest and most respected mentor, Paranspe sir, the best example Indore could have of dedication, commitment and diligence. Our special guests today, Shri Mohit Nagarji and Shri Babar Ali. आप सभी अति विशिष्ट गुणीजनों को मेरा नमन. आइए आज के कार्यक्रम को ईश्वर की आराधना के साथ प्रारंभ करें. मैं अनुरोध करना चाहूंगी श्री समीर मुले जी से कि वे अतिथियों को दीप प्रज्वलन हेतु सआदर मंच पर ले आएं. हे हंस वाहिनी ज्ञानदायिनी अम्ब विमल
थोड़ा आगे जी, थोड़ा
साहस शील हृदय में भर दे, संयम सत्य स्नेह का वर दे. हे हंस वाहिनी ज्ञान दायिनी अम्ब विमल मति दे.
सबका ग्रुप फोटो लीजिए. सर एक ग्रुप फोटो बोलो सर एक ग्रुप फोटो. सर
अतिथियों के स्वागत का और इसी कड़ी में सबसे पहले स्वागत परांजपे सर का. बहुत छोटी हूँ कि उनके लिए कुछ भी कहूँ या उनके बारे में कुछ भी कहूँ. सिर्फ एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि मिसेस अपर्णा रोठे जब आकर उनका स्वागत करें तो हम एक स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन दे सकें सर को. Amidst all of us, he is the most spirited, born in 1930. Welcome, sir. Has been associated and has been mentoring us for this program, and I always keep on extending his young age. I feel he's a man of 15 with 80 years of experience. So he's not 95 actually. A man of 15 with 80 years of experience and still going on. So a source of inspiration, and I feel privileged to be sharing this space with him today. Well, next we have with us Shri Mohit Nagarji, शिक्षाविद और समाज सेवी मोहित नागर जी पैरामाउंट लिटिल एंजल स्कूल्स के चेयरमैन हैं। मोहित जी बच्चों को शिक्षित करने का पुनीत कार्य तो कर ही रहे हैं, साथ ही सैकड़ों को सिलाई, कढ़ाई, बुनाई, इनकी मशीनें उपलब्ध कराकर उन्हें स्वयं का रोजगार करने हेतु साक्षर और स्वावलंबी बना रहे हैं। मोहित नागर जी गाजियाबाद के आसपास औद्योगिक क्षेत्र में कार्य करने वाले हजारों मजदूरों के बच्चों को 2014 से फ्री एजुकेशन दे रहे हैं। मोहित जी को कई विशिष्ट अवार्ड से नवाजा गया है। इंडिया बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड अवार्डी, प्लैनेट अवार्डी लंदन, गुर्जर गौरव अवार्डी, आपको एजुकेशन एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड भी सम्मानित किया गया है। सर, समाज के एक सच्चे सचेतक के रूप में आज आप हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं। आइए इनका एक वीडियो देखें और फिर डू वी हैव द वीडियो नाउ और कैन वी हैव इट लेटर? समीर जी। Special thanks, Dr. Chaudhary, for your support. Young, so now he's put on a little bit of weight. That's it. But he is the same humble human being. He began teaching at the age of 9, if I'm not wrong, mostly as a game, and then decided to continue teaching other children at a bigger and larger scale. In Murshidabad, there were no government or private schools. So the students came from nearby villages and walked up almost 4, 5, 10 kilometers in order to attend his lessons. Babar Ali succeeded in having his school recognized by the local authorities. In 2009, Babar Ali was recognized in the program Real Heroes of India on the English news channel CNN IBN for his work, and was also awarded the NDTV Indian of the Year Award. He has to his credit the Literacy Hero Award by Rotary India Literacy Mission, and recently Babar Ali has featured in Forbes Asia in their 30 under 30 list as a social entrepreneur. A simple man indeed. His story became a part of the syllabus for the CBSE 10th standard English textbook, for Government of Karnataka made that effort, and also in the curriculum across the globe. He was featured on Amir Khan's TV show Satyameva Jayate in July 2012. He is regularly invited to speak at various conferences and forums all over the world. Babar Ali is a TED Talk speaker too. Welcome, sir. May I request Shri Hariol Maurya to do the honors and welcome Babar Ali Amritsar on behalf of Sandipani School. Probably the next welcome that goes to Mr. Samir Mule is something that he will not appreciate, and I may get a scolding back home, being the better half. But I feel it is customary to welcome the guests on the stage, he being one of them. I request Santosh Tiwari ji, a very informal kind of a welcome, so that we complete the ceremony, as well as I am not rebuked too much. एक इनफॉर्मल सा प्लीज बनता है। Thank you you all for doing the honors, and thank you respected dignitaries for adding value to this event with your presence.